Today we're talking about estate planning and real estate ownership and how they go hand in hand and how many people make costly mistakes that can lead to legal complications, financial losses, and of course family disputes. And some family disputes turn ugly, yeah? On all things real estate today, we're inviting managing attorney at Law Boss Attorneys at Law, Sophia Brand, to talk about some of the mistakes to avoid in estate planning and real estate. Good morning, Sophia.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm quite well, thank you.
We've had several conversations on this program about how deadly this battle over deadlift can be.
Oh my God, yes it is. And we don't have to do nothing more than a basic Google search to see how many cases we've had. In fact, I've even had a client that lost a finger due to a issue with family over deadlift land.
It's ridiculous. And I remain shocked, Sophia, because in early 2024, we did an interview with the commanding officer in St. Anne, SSP Dwight Powell, who told us that in 2023 in St. Anne, 80% of the homicides recorded in the parish were disputes over land among family members.
Wow. I
Ridiculous.
need to share that statistic in my next seminar.
You need to.
I didn't realize it was that severe.
Very, very bad. Very, very bad. It's all right. Tell me a little bit more, of course, before we get into the substantive discussion about Law Boss Attorneys at Law.
Yes, so we are an estate planning and conveyancing firm. The mission of the firm is to help expats who have a desire to build and preserve their legacy through real estate and estate planning. And our desire is to reach more persons who are in the diaspora and even non-Jamaicans who want to do business here and want a legal expert by their side. One of the things that sets us apart is the fact that we have a hybrid office. Mm-hmm. So we've already worked out the logistics of how to serve clients that are overseas. In fact, most of my clients are persons who live in the United States, Canada, or England. Many of them I've never even met before. And so we know what is required of us to service that kind of market.
Mm-hmm. Thank you for that. So you say hybrid office. Your physical office is where?
We have the physical offices in Kingston. But we have we're not bounded by geography. Once you're doing matters that apply to the Jamaican jurisdiction, we're in a position to help you.
So tell me where in Kingston, man.
60 Knutsford Boulevard. Yeah. We're at the Panjam building. Incidentally, I had a walk-in and he said he came because it was on Knutsford Boulevard. He was from the US and he knew Knutsford Boulevard.
There you go.
I was so shocked. I'm like, people doing walk-ins in New Kingston.
There you go.
But it happens.
It happens. All right. What are the biggest, or some of them at least, biggest mistakes people make when passing down real estate, Sophia?